What's going on, Hangout Gang? Man, got some news for you. You're gonna look at the charts. As you could probably have heard by now, Bitcoin has ate up that dip. So we're gonna take a look at the charts and see how much of a dip, how much it ate up, and what's going on next. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these charts. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin daily chart, and as you can see, you had that sell-off right there, all that selling pressure, and then you had the buying pressure today. As you can see, that big wick right there, it has a wick right there, and it pushed right back up into that downward trend line. So we need the bulls to show back up again and then push it back above 28K. If it gets above 28K, then we'll be back into the momentum to break 30K, and break 30K, then it's off to the races. Alright, so take a look at the 4-hour chart. It's Bitcoin 4-hour chart. As you can see, the 21 is going sideways, and you had the bulls show up. RSI is approaching a little bit overbought. I suggest that it may chop up into this downward trend line right here for a little while. Let's see here. Yeah, I suggest it chops into this trend line right here. As you can see, it hit that right there and had a little sell-off. But I suspect it's going to chop right down in there and then either break up to the upside or to the downside. Okay, it's going to chop in between, somewhere between 27 160 and 26 671. That's what I suspect. All right, so look at the hour chart so we can see where it's going to move. Smaller time frames, you can see 21 came down, price action came down with it, and as you can see, 21 is about to cross the 50 again. If it crosses the 50, then you're going to see the price action shoot up, and it may go above this right here. So the next couple of hours are going to be crucial. Okay, but RSI is not looking good. It's overbought. It needs to come down here. It needs to come down here to around 36 before it can take back off again. Okay, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, the money flew into Bitcoin. People took advantage of this dip, as you should, and they bought the dip. And as you can see on the dominance chart, the 21 is crossing the 50, so we have a golden cross that just formed today. And so I suspect more money is going to be flowing into Bitcoin in the next coming days, possibly coming weeks. Okay. Now let's take a look at the. Let's see here. Let's take a look at this daily Bitcoin dominance daily chart, and look at that big candle. Broke up out of that daily downward trend, the big candle. So I'm bullish. That's a bullish sign for me. All right. Now, let's take a look at XRP. XRP breaking back up into that upward triangle again, upward trend line again. As you can see, that's good. Let's look at their 4-hour chart. As you can see, it hit that right there and bounced up off of that trend line, upper trend line. See if we can break through that. RSI is a little bit overbought. This may chop sideways. For a day or two before running up, making this move. Okay, now let's look at the altcoin market cap. Altcoins, as you can see, they sold off a little bit because the money went into Bitcoin. You can see it better here. There you go. All right, MACD showing the sell-off, and as you can see, the RSI is falling down because it's coming to oversold territory. Right now, let's go back to Bitcoin and let's look and see what we should suspect the next couple of days. Right? It's a 4-hour chart. Now, even if it does, okay, this is Bitcoin dominance. We need the Bitcoin. There we go. Still has to break through that resistance line. Just to look at the overall big picture, you're still in that downward trend overall. Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Now, this falling wedge has a 68% to break to the upside. Okay, so you have potential to make a lot of money if it does break to the upside. If you for those that are buying the dip. Okay, so yeah, 30, they need to break 28K for us to get back on track to see 30K and break 30K, and then the next resistance will be around 31, 32K. So we have to break that 28K resistance. We have to have the bulls show back up and push Bitcoin back up. All right. Now, if you like the video, if you like the technical analysis that we did today, please like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps us get in front of other people as well. Okay, share the video, like, thanks, leave a comment, let me know what you think about technical analysis, let me know what your technical analysis is, and just leave a comment, let us know what you think. If it sucks, if you think we're full of shit, not, let us know. All right, peace.